I'm Sharda Srinivasan, a homemaker. I live in Bangalore. I love garden and gardening and fresh vegetables from my garden. I've been grown up with farmland, so I love to have fresh vegetables. So I was longing for garden where I can get more yield and good yield without chemicals, without storing. So now I'm enjoying that garden fresh vegetables. I have a support of a gardening agent, and I have support of Jiva water that is giving me good yield. So which is structure and taste and color of the vegetable is amazing.
ಈ ಬೇರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಲಿಫ್ಲವರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 4-6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕಾಲಿಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ನೂಲ್ಕೋಲು ಆಗಲಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜುಕಿನಿ ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ತುಂಬ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Though I'm doing gardening since 5-6 years, everything is the same. Only the water I have changed since 3 years. After fixing Vipasa, definitely I can surely tell that water has given the difference for the yield and the quality of vegetables that I'm growing. So I think Happy Jiva water is giving the happiness to the yield and happiness to the family. And of course, homegrown vegetables I'm giving to my husband. He was not eating like cucumber and all salads he doesn't like. But lettuce and cucumber, when it is grown here and the taste is so fresh and juicy, he's definitely having it happily. Radish that I grow at home is actually childhood I was having that natural taste of radish which I was missing. My native place I used to have that raw smell and all. That is really amazing with the Jiva water. I feel natural taste and natural quality is increased, and of course nutrition value. The company's tested so many things and it has given its values. But as a homemaker, I am feeling that while cooking, it cooks fast and it just melts in the mouth. And definitely that cooking time is reduced, I can say. The vegetables quality is so good that cooking time and quality of food is changed.